Four-wheel drive, buddy.
On today's episode of MotoCheez.
How's the Mini?
Good. What's up, Minitruck? Memorial Day weekend, so you know what that means. A lot of tag sales. Want to do it? Let's go. Tag sale, garage sale, what else do they call them? Yard sale? Yeah. I can haul a lot of stuff with this though. Don't let it fool you.
In Thailand, that's called maximum load.
That's right. How's it going?
Good, good.
Just checking out what you got.
Yeah, absolutely. All the tools and anything you need.
This is the weekend for it.
Oh, yeah.
How much? How much?
For the Minitruck?
That thing's pretty cool.
I got it for 45.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a good deal.
Yeah, they got them down in New Jersey. Guys got a whole bunch of them, yeah. I do videos, YouTube videos.
Awesome.
Yeah, the sides flip down. I have a Suzuki that dumps. This one doesn't dump.
It's not four-wheel drive though, is it?
Yeah.
Four-wheel drive?
And this has a differential lock in the rear too.
That's pretty cool.
This thing goes anywhere.
Have this up on the farm?
That's what
They're for.
The farm would be perfect.
That's what that's what people been buying them for.
Imagine firewood we can get with this for the
Imagine
campfire.
anything you could get with this. And take it right off the farm and go down and go
Yeah,
pick
go
it.
to town, yeah.
Yeah, go pick it.
Yeah. Yeah, America. Wow, that's a big old Maggie. Mm.
Nothing interesting, boss?
Yeah, a couple things. I just have so much crap myself, you know. We got a motor trailer. You can check it out.
I saw you here one night. He just came in. He's like, wow, it's a mini truck. It's four-wheel drive, buddy. Looks like a big four-wheeler.
You could sit in it. The steering wheel's on the wrong side.
You want to sit in it real quick? Shift it over there. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
It's got a little dump truck on it. Well, that's it. For the four-wheeler, I get one of these. My quad I use more as a tractor than anything.
Oh yeah. Yeah, take it easy. I don't know if you guys saw A Quiet Place, but this is where they filmed it. That's the house that they were in. That's the barn they were in. I did a little video on it when I was on my bike. And those are the fields. There was a tower that they were up on top of looking down over the fields, which they actually put in with CGI. That was the barn that they had they hid in. I knew a guy years ago that used to caretake all this. I don't know what the incline is here. It looks like it's about 12, 13 degrees. Somewhere around there. Minitruck's doing alright. Maybe we'll find a treasure someone's selling. Someone else's garbage is somebody's treasure, as they say. What the hell? Who is this? Private road? Since when? It's supposed to be a class 4 road cutting across here. How is this a private road? This is not a private road, but it is a pretty bumpy road. Right, Minitruck? But my diff lock, so much articulation. Bumpy road, Minnie. I don't think there's going to be any yard sales on this road. Yeah, this thing's a little mudded up. It's a fun little shortcut. What's your thoughts on that road, Minnie? Did you like it? Hang on, little fella. I didn't even put your new CB in yet, Minnie. Actually, I might give that one a dumpy and I might get you one of them better ones. I might even switch to the 2 meter. 2 meter 440. I have my ham license, why not? Memorial Day weekend. Dutchess County Sheriff and Courthouse. Where the heck are all the tag sales, Minitruck? All the way over here in Beekman. I haven't seen, what, one. Oh, 36. My buddy V lives up here. We're gonna have to drop in on V, see if he's home. Oh, here we are. I'll be right back, Minitruck. Hey, pup. I see you. How you doing?
No reasonable offers refused.
That stuff comes in handy.
You don't happen to have an S10 pickup, do you?
I got a friend of mine who just picked up a truck.
It's well, the bed is actually a little bit more than 6 feet.
I'll take a picture. I'm sure he'll want it.
Is that your little Daihatsu outside?
Yeah, the Minitruck.
Want to sell it?
Nah.
Yeah, I've been looking for one for a while.
They got them right down in Jersey. I actually have a card in there if you want it. Yeah.
Back up to the drive-thru. So you're on the right side.
Here they are.
Ah, thank you. Thank
You're
you very
welcome.
much.
Yeah, and you get $100 off if you say MotoCheez sent you.
Okay.
Take it easy.
Thank you.
Everybody loves Minitruck. Found something for Matt anyway. Mini pickers. Oh, that's a nuffin tag sale. Nuffin I want. This is small enough to get in there and get off the road. See what they got, Minitruck. I'll be right back.
Yeah, I was for a while. Yeah, I know.
Sometimes prices are a little steep. Stormville Airport is open, so that's why this is the day to tag sale around here. Stormville Airport has a big flea market. Be right back, Minitruck. How's it going? Good. Nuffin. $50. Nothing there, Minitruck. Oh, they're selling their house. I'm little, so I could fit here. No, it's a 3-cylinder.
Oh my god. Wow.
From Japan. Oh. How's it going?
Now my kids collect quartz. Is that what this is? Yeah.
Huh.
And that one,
Oh.
I'm not a cash person. That one, 216 is like open field. That's the Flea Market. Oh, it is a Flea Market. That's Stormville Flea Market.
Yep.
I'm telling you, it's like if you're going to Bloomingdale's or Saks Fifth Avenue over there.
I know. It used to be years ago. It was good.
Fantastic.
Thanks.
Take care.
I saw you in the last one. Right, last two. I had some neat stuff, but nothing I wanted. What's up?
How's the Mini?
Good.
Yo, look at that CB750. It's got 45,000 miles.
Oh shit.
And look how clean that thing is.
There's that tonneau cover I got you.
Oh.
Yeah, I opened it up, man. It's nice.
You got a $5 bill on you?
It was only 20 bucks.
Oh, 20?
Well, throwing back right now.
Yeah.
Where are you coming from?
Just all around tag sailing. It already has it on there, but he had a roll of it I got for $1. It already has it on the sides though. It's all good. I just went around all through Grange and all that because they're having the flea market. So
Yeah, I'd do the same thing.
no one had shit though. It's all like garbage.
Going out tag sailing with a Mini.
I passed that sheriff going up. I thought he was gonna turn around.
Yeah?
Exactly what I
He
said.
didn't even have one. He had that fucking temporary.
Oh yeah, the temporary
There's a
plate.
guy in Poland that just bought one of these and he's driving it all around. He's got the temporary slipping on.
You got everybody into it, I'm telling you.
Yeah, I know, all
Everybody's
around.
seen that it was that easy to get on the road and go.
Because it's a classic now,
Yeah,
so.
I'm like, holy
Why wouldn't it just go in the other way? That was fun, Minitruck! Good times. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want notifications on new videos. I have links for all of the products I use in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.